Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Waterloo, the Meyer Lemon Blueberry Still Water. If you're a fan of refreshing beverages that pack a punch of natural flavors without the guilt, stay tuned because this one might just be your next favorite. Let's start with what makes this Meyer Lemon Blueberry flavor stand out. It's crafted with non-GMO project-verified natural flavors and purified water, ensuring optimal pH balance. Plus, it's enhanced with electrolytes, giving it that crisp taste you expect from premium hydration products. Now, onto the taste. The flavor profile is bright and complex, starting with a zesty lemon-forward taste that transitions seamlessly into a sweet, ripe blueberry finish. It's a blend that's both refreshing and satisfying. Perfect for any occasion, whether you're at the gym or just relaxing at home. It boasts 0 calories, 0 sugars or artificial sweeteners, and 0 sodium, which means you can enjoy guilt-free hydration without compromising on taste. The Waterloo Meyer Lemon Blueberry Still Water comes in convenient 12 fluid ounces cans, making it easy to grab on the go or stock up at home. The packaging is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any lifestyle. Aside from being a great standalone drink, this water pairs well with various meals and snacks. Whether you're enjoying it with a light salad or as a refreshing pick-me-up during a busy day, it's versatile enough to complement any palate. In conclusion, if you're looking for a healthier alternative to sugary drinks or boring plain water, the Waterloo Meyer Lemon Blueberry Still Water is a fantastic choice. With its delightful flavor combination and impeccable nutritional credentials, it's clear why this product has garnered such positive attention. Thanks for joining me today on Product Critique. If you've tried this water before, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest products hitting the shelves. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay curious.